Morning guys, trust everyone's well. Welcome to part of my commute on the trusty Aprilia Pegaso. Checking out the microphone yet again because it wasn't working too well on riding this bike. I think it got moved or flattened down, the wee dead cat. So hopefully when I start this, still be able to be heard. I'll see, do a wee bit of filtering into work. Seen a vlog on commuting for beginners, which is really like filtering for beginners. I turn the lights on my bike, old bike, you gotta turn the lights on. Filtering, you gotta watch your mirrors obviously through, but you just gotta be opportunistic. I'm actually gonna go left here, which is really cheeky, but indicator on, and that's me, round left. So, I think the microphone should still be working okay. Nice morning, nice and dry. A bit cool, but not cold. Great to still be able to commute on the bike. Makes it so much easier through the traffic. Let's say I turned my lights on there, but just a wee green light, it's not a neutral light, just a wee old bike, so the light to say their lights are on. Well, I actually need to put on the full low beam, that was just the side lights. 22-year-old bike. Now here's a choice for filtering. Do you go up between the cars or do you go up the outside? Well, there was more, but look at that, there's enough gap between, but sometimes the big thing I go up the whole way up the outside. Always edge a wee bit further forward, not over the white line but right up to it. A bit more forward in the cars to say that you're going earlier, you'll be away quicker than them. Obviously try and not piss the drivers off. I'm on the neutral there because obviously that traffic's coming there, so it'll be here a wee bit. Actually sometimes switch the bike off, it's going to be a long time, but it won't be, it'll actually fire up soon. There's another guy commuting on a sports bike, which can be done, but this bike here is real handy because like the levers go up, car mirrors go under, the mirrors are above or whatever, it sort of works out kind of thing. Anyway, I'm going to pull over and sign off, and I'll obviously play the footage back to make sure everything was working tickety-boo. There you are, now you have it. So, signing off from part of my commute on a nice October 2018 morning. Take it easy, all the best, ride safe, bye.